Hello and welcome back to class. This is MWM Academy, and here we teach how to use AI to create image, videos, flyer, websites, logos, and many more. And also how to write your own ebook and make money. If that's the kind of content you're interested in, click the subscribe button and turn on notification so you don't miss future tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to create unique and professional logo using AI. So grab your pen and book, it's time for class. First thing you have to do is to go to Pinterest. If you have not downloaded it, please go and do it right now. Make sure you download it. After downloading it, then you click on it, and this is how the interface looks. Just go to that search icon, click on it, and you can see search for ideas. Let us say we want to design for bag, we want to design for fashion designer, any kind of design, any kind of logo you want to design. Just put it there and say fashion designer logo, anything you want to design. Maybe it's for bag, anything, just put it there and say she give you the ideas. So once you type it and you send it, you need to do different types of logo. But for this class, let's just say I want to design for logo, say for bag. Yeah. So this is different types of bag logo, like a brand that is selling bag. Do you understand? So this is the different type of. So anytime if you can just keep checking until you see the one that you like. So after you click on the one that you like, you can see that 3 dots. Yes, the one that I stuck with that dot is where you are going to see download. I used to download it. So let's just check more. You can see this one is fine, but we are not using that. So now if you want to download, click on the 3 dots, and then you can see that download image. Click on it, and it's going to save to your phone automatically. So that means the thing is now already on your phone. So to now change it to what you like what the person that you want to design to, you have to do some editing, and you can download two. So maybe you see something here and here something in another one, so you can just twist it. That you can only two, up to two design here. So you now go and twist it to your taste. So now let's go and twist it to the brand that we want to work with. We have to change the name, change something. So let's go. Designing with AI is very sweet, but it's as your prompts have to be okay. Once your prompt is okay, you're going to get very good results. That's just it. So now before you prompt AI to change your this thing, do yada yada, some people will not even know, will not go and get their inspo from what is it called, from Pinterest, before they just prompt, and they'll be and ChatGPT is not giving them good result. So what you have to do is answer all these questions before you now send it to ChatGPT. So you understand? Now let's take this one by one. Now the first one is name. What is the name of the business? Is it Rafa's? The name MWM Academy? The name that the business be? You have to put it. The business. What are they selling? What are they into? Is it into bags? Is it into shoes? That you have to let ChatGPT know that. You have to include that in your prompt. Target audience, is it for men? Are they dealing with female? In fact, their age, those people that they are dealing with, you can also include it. It's very important. Personality, is it luxury? I always use luxury and modern. So you understand? Colors, like me now, I always use navy blue, gold, white. That's my color. So people also have the brown color, so ask them, what are you into? What color do you use? So you understand? So it is that their color that you use to twist, that you tell ChatGPT to use. So you understand? Monogram, although there is different type of logo, but monogram is just a common one now. So this one is word mark, this one is emblem, and this is the monogram we are talking about. There is another one, mascot. You can see there is a lot. So you just have to choose and let ChatGPT know. So then another one is icon. Like, do you want the bag to show? Do you want the shoe to show? Some brand, they are selling shoes, bag, and clothes. Do you, all those icon, do you want it on the logo that you want to create? And the background, this is transparent background that you want. Is it, you can even design different, maybe transparent one, another one, that. So which do you want the background to be plain? Do you want black background? Do you want white background, transparent background? It's always white background and transparent background, sure you get. So you have to let ChatGPT know the one that you want. Now let's go and plot ChatGPT and see the results. Here I'm telling ChatGPT to analyze this logo design, explain the style, colors, typography, layouts, and why they look professional. Then help me create an original logo concept inspired by these designs without copying them. Do you understand? So I will now add the image with that plus sign you are seeing there. Once you click on the plus sign, it's going to go take you to the gallery. And you're going to pick the picture that you want to use, the picture of the logo that you downloaded, the picture of the logo that you've downloaded from Pinterest. So it's going to bring it and you're going to send it. So you can see now it's like bringing out the instruction, all this analysis that we asked ChatGPT to do. It's now analyzing everything here. I will say that the layout, everything, the chapter, everything is going to give it to you. So once you have checked everything, you will now go ahead and put the name, what they sell, everything, and you will now ask it to use the logo as inspo. So it's now going to like write you the prompts that you are going to use for the prompt that you are going to use for your own logo. You can see it's now writing out what I want, what I put inside the second prompt. You can see it's now writing it out, what you understand, and this is now our prompt that we are going to use to generate our logo. So this prompt now, you can use it on ChatGPT, you can use it on different AI images and different AI that can create image. So I use like three different AI. So you can now pick the one that you like the most. You understand? So let's see. For ChatGPT, this you can see I'm now trying to copy the prompt that ChatGPT gave me. See, you understand? I'm trying to copy it and go and test it on different AI. This is me trying nano banana. So I'm going to type nano banana, click on the first link. You know how we used to do it. Then we are going to paste that prompt. Just as you copy it from ChatGPT, just paste it and send it. Don't add anything, don't remove anything. As you copy it from ChatGPT, just paste it here and send it. It's going to generate your image for you. So you can see this is our logo now. This is our logo. The name, everything, the color, you can see that it has twisted it to what we want. Can you see that? So let's go and try another one. Let's go and try ChatGPT and see the results. You already know how to download. Just click on that icon that shows download, sign. Just click on it and going to download to your phone. That's a prompt. I tried it on ideogram. There is a lot of AI that can give you logo. This one you are looking at here now, it's ChatGPT that created it. So you can use different AI that can give you image with the same prompt, and you can see the one that you like or the one that you think is better. So you get. If you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to my channel, like and comment in case you have any question. And bye. See you in my next video.